Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Zillow filters to find perfect homes so you can master the 2026 studio real estate market, discover hidden gems with technical precision, and narrow down your professional search to the exact lifestyle features you need. Let's get into it. First, set your high-level core filters. The first step is establishing your mechanical necessity, the non-negotiables. In 2026, the Zillow desktop interface allows you to candidly set the foundation for your search before diving into the more specialized technical details. From the Zillow search map, click on the Price, Beds and Baths, and Home Type dropdowns. Input your professional 2026 budget and your minimum room requirements. For a proper studio setup, you might filter specifically for houses or townhomes while excluding apartments. Setting these core parameters ensures your market analysis stays focused on viable 2026 inventory. It prevents amateur quality distractions and keeps your bookkeeping aligned with your actual buying power. Next, utilize keyword filters for 2026 trends. In 2026, the perfect home is often defined by lifestyle-driven technical features. Using the keywords filter is the best way to candidly find homes that match the latest studio trends, like cottagecore or wellness zones. Click the More filter tab and scroll down to the keywords search bar. Type in 2026 high-demand terms such as reading nook, EV charging, quartzite, or color drenching. Standard filters don't always catch these specific high-end details. By technically searching for these keywords, you find homes that already reflect your professional brand and personal aesthetic, saving you from expensive 2026 renovations. Next, filter for resiliency and modern standards. As we navigate 2026, a perfect home must also be a safe home. You need to use Zillow's technical map layers and filters to candidly assess the property's long-term stability. Within the More tab, look for technical features like solar, whole home battery, or flood protection. Also, check the basement or parking requirements if you need specialized storage for your technical video equipment or high-volume content production gear. Resiliency is a professional standard in 2026. Filtering for these features ensures your investment is protected against environmental factors and reduces your long-term 2026 utility bookkeeping costs. And that's pretty much it. To find your perfect home in 2026, start with the core filters for price and home type. Use the keywords filter to candidly search for studio trends like reading nooks or EV charging. Apply resiliency filters to ensure technical safety and sort your results to stay on top of the newest 2026 listings. Finally, save your search to receive instant alerts, turning Zillow into your professional 2026 real estate co-pilot. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.